jumping the bridge in heavy rain is not fun. Whew. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Gonna do a chill Triborough loop, Manhattan, Queens, Brooklyn, and yeah, just like 20 miles. Just a chill one, real quick one, and then we'll go home. Stick with me, okay? What the event is. I see people like with bibs, like with signs, so let me see if I could take a peek. Well, I think it says New York City House Country, right? If I find it online, I'll put it up on the screen right now. And it's raining, damn it. Why is it always raining in the weekend, huh? Why? I think Roosevelt Island is one of the most underrated areas in New York City. Look at this view. It's really beautiful in the sunset, by the way. Let me dig into my archive. Maybe I have some pictures of the skyline, Manhattan skyline, the sunset. A ferocious animal here. Well, what you gonna do, huh? Rain got pretty heavy. It's fun though. Pretty. Alright, maybe I'm gonna cut it short. Not 20 miles. Just gonna be, you know, like around Roosevelt Island and I'll go home. Speaking of ride, I'm actually doing the Bike MS ride in a few weeks. It's the largest fundraising cycling series in the world. Each year, nearly 50,000 cyclists participate, and it's to raise funds for charity, for the National Multiple Sclerosis Society. I actually have family members who are living with MS, so it's a it's a cause that's close to my heart. My goal is to raise $1,000. I'm still far from there, but yeah, we still have a few weeks, so we can do this. If you want to support this cause, I have the link in the description below. Please donate, support this cause. I would greatly appreciate that. Alright, I'm gonna go home now. It's not gonna be like a big mileage or whatever. Man, climbing the bridge in heavy rain is not fun. Whew. My goodness. Alright. Careful. Whoa. Beautiful view, bro. Yeah, back in Manhattan. All right. Yeah, I don't need to do a 20 miler today. Not today.